Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 279 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Before we begin, I want to thank all of you for all the lovely birthday wishes last week. I had a wonderful time spending time with my family and friends. And again, thank you. Well, I'm very excited about this recipe. I'm going to show you how to make some down-home southern buttermilk biscuits just like your grandmother used to make. And my friends, this is the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, mouth-watering, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And once you taste these biscuits, they will bring you back to your childhood, being in the kitchen with your grandmother. Everybody will fall in love with this recipe. So roll up your sleeves, pull on your apron, grab your flour and your butter sugar, because we're about to bake some buttermilk biscuit magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of packed light brown sugar. I like to use brown sugar instead of white sugar. It's going to give it a little flavor. Going to give that a quick whisk until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, now it's time to add in our fats. We're going to add in a half a stick, which is 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I grated. And it's nice and cold. That's the ingredient to fluffy and tender biscuits. Want to make sure all your ingredients is nice and cold. And a half a cup of cold butter flavor shortening. And using my pastry cutter, or you can use a fork, we're just going to cut these until it reaches coarse cornmeal. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, this is what the flour look like. Nice coarse crumbs. Alright, that looks great. And now for our final ingredients, time to add in the milks. I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of cold evaporated milk, my favorite. And last but not least, this is the buttermilk biscuits without buttermilk. I'm adding in 2/3 cup of cold buttermilk. And we're just going to stir all this together until it reaches a wet dough. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring up the dough. Now it's time to put it on the flour surface. Alright my friends, so now we're going to knead it a few times. This is a very sticky dough. And you can always add more flour if it's too sticky. Alright my friends, I'm through kneading up the dough and this is what it looked like. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to flatten it. When I used to go spend the night at my grandmother's house, I used to ask her if she could bake some homemade biscuits, and she said sure. So then when I wake up in the morning to smell the biscuits all over, I'll be rushing into the kitchen. I'll be so excited to get up and have some homemade biscuits with my grandmother. Alright my friends, I'm through flattening the dough. So now we're going to fold it a few times. We're going to do some flaky layers. And then we're going to fold it again. And using my glass, or you can use the biscuit cutter, we're just going to cut them into biscuits. Just cut them down just like this. Do not twist the glass. Making jumbo biscuits. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the rest of my biscuits and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through cutting my biscuits. And I did 7 biscuits and I put it in the greased 9-inch round cake pan, or you could put it in a cast iron skillet or a long cookie sheet. So now I'm going to brush the biscuits with some evaporated milk, or you can use butter or egg. And just going to brush them on top, where make the biscuits has a nice golden brown color on top. Alrighty, now we're ready to put our buttermilk biscuits in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 450-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my buttermilk biscuits out of the oven. It definitely smells like my grandmother's kitchen. Ain't nothing like the smell of homemade buttermilk biscuits. Alright, and while they're still hot, we're going to brush the biscuits with some melted butter, of course. Can't have biscuits without butter. Alright, perfect. I'm going to go ahead and finish brushing my biscuits, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern buttermilk biscuits. Don't they look pretty? Look at that. Beautiful golden brown. Perfectly cooked. Alright. Now I'm about to pick them up a plate, and I'll give them a taste. My friends, look at this biscuit. And look at the flaky layers. Awesome. Alright. I'm going to add some more melted butter. Woo-wee! Oh yes, I love lots and lots of butter. Alright. And one more thing. I'm going to add a little grape jelly. Whoa, doggles! How do you like your biscuit? Do you like honey or maple syrup or jelly or butter, ham? Let me know down below in the comment section. Alright, about to close it up. You can tell it's so moist it's breaking apart. Now look at that. Alright, here we go. Ain't nothing like scratch-made buttermilk biscuits. These are divine. They just melt in your mouth. Please give them a try. You can serve them for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Get you some grits and eggs. Oh yes. And you'll be digging right in. My grandmother would be so proud of me. This deserves another bite. These definitely remind me of my grandmother's biscuits. Buttermilk biscuit-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!